Hey everyone, okay, so Clinique have just taken one of the most iconic moisturizers of all time, dramatically different moisturizing lotion, and they've given it a 2025 upgrade. And when I say upgrade, I mean SPF 50. Yes, 50. You could practically sunbathe on the moon with this stuff. It sinks in instantly. No chalk, no greasy shine, just healthy, hydrated skin. Clinique didn't reinvent the wheel. They just put bulletproof glass on it. Now the texture, still that classic silky slip that made it famous. It's kind of like putting good manners on your skin. It's polite, lightweight, and it doesn't argue with your makeup. An SPF 50, that is like taking your skin to Fort Knox, except instead of gold bars, you're protecting it against wrinkles, sunspots, and basically looking like a leather handbag before your time. If you want hydration, protection, and of course the smug satisfaction of knowing that you're aging backwards, this is your guy. Clinique, dramatically different moisturizing lotion with SPF 50. Drama, yes. Different, absolutely. Amazing, 100% yes.